Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Experian Boost. Experian Boost is a groundbreaking credit score enhancement tool designed to provide a fast and simple way for individuals to boost their credit scores. It achieves this by recognizing and reporting on-time payment for recurring expenses that are typically not considered in traditional credit reports. This service is particularly beneficial for individuals seeking to improve their credit standing without incurring new debt or applying for additional credit cards. It's especially valuable for those with a limited credit history or those aiming to elevate their score to access more favorable financial opportunities, like lower interest rates on loans or better credit card offers. Experian Boost operates by securely connecting to your bank account, enabling it to identify and report positive payment behaviors for routine expenses. These can include utility bills, subscription services like streaming platforms, and even mobile phone payments. Once these payments are verified, they are incorporated into your Experian credit report, which can potentially lead to an immediate increase in your FICO score. Unlike traditional credit-building methods, Experian Boost leverages the responsible financial habits you've already established, providing a practical and hassle-free solution. A key advantage of Experian Boost is its real-time transparency and immediacy. After your payment history is verified, you can witness the impact on your Experian credit score in real time. Furthermore, you retain complete control over which accounts and payments are shared, ensuring that you only contribute data that positively influences your credit profile. The service is entirely free to use, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their financial situation. It's important to acknowledge that Experian Boost specifically impacts your Experian credit score. However, for many individuals, this improvement can significantly influence their overall creditworthiness and access to better financial products and services. Experian Boost is an excellent choice for individuals who consistently make on-time payments and wish to utilize this responsible behavior to enhance their credit standing. Whether you're starting to build credit from the ground up or working to overcome past financial challenges, this tool offers a simple and effective method to achieve your credit goals. It empowers you to take control of your credit journey by leveraging existing positive payment patterns. In summary, Experian Boost is a revolutionary tool for anyone striving to improve their credit score without the added burden of complicated processes or additional costs. It's user-friendly, free of charge, and delivers immediate results for many users. Don't wait. Click the links in the description to get started with Experian Boost and take control of your credit journey today.